Is your garage door making unusual noises, getting stuck, or wearing out faster than expected? Welcome to WholeToolBox. The real issue might not be the door itself, but the changing seasons. Weather plays a major role in how your garage door performs throughout the year. From intense summer heat to heavy monsoon moisture, cold winter temperatures, and dusty spring conditions, each season puts stress on essential components like springs, tracks, seals, and the opener system. In summer, high temperatures cause metal parts to expand and lubricants to dry out, leading to stiffness, friction, and noisy operation. A simple fix is applying a high-quality silicone-based lubricant and regularly cleaning dust from tracks. During monsoon, excess humidity can lead to rust, seal damage, and even electrical issues in the opener, so using anti-rust coatings and ensuring proper sealing and drainage is crucial. Winter brings its own challenges, as cold temperatures cause components to contract and lubricants to thicken, resulting in slow movement and cracked seals. Switching to winter-grade lubricant and checking the door balance can help prevent these issues. In spring, dust and debris can disrupt alignment and sensor accuracy, making regular cleaning and tightening of loose hardware essential. To keep your garage door running smoothly year-round, follow a simple maintenance routine. Lubricate moving parts every 3 to 4 months, keep the tracks clean, inspect the weather seals, test the door balance, and schedule annual servicing. However, if you notice uneven movement, broken springs, or unusual motor noises, it's best to consult a professional to avoid safety risks. Click on the link in the description below to read the complete blog and explore quality garage door parts from WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.